you compliment a woman here, she will melt for you. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are delving into a topic that can significantly enhance your interactions with women: the power of a well-placed compliment. Compliments, when given sincerely and at the right moment, can truly make a woman melt. In this video, we will explore the types of compliments that resonate deeply with women and the most impactful moments to deliver them. Now, it's not just about what you say, but also where and when you say it. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of how to use compliments effectively to create a strong emotional connection. And make sure to stick around until the very end of the video for an exclusive bonus tip. It's a key piece of advice that would take your complimenting skills to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss this valuable insight. Her intellect and wit. Complimenting a woman on her intelligence, her wisdom and quick thinking can have a profound impact. This goes beyond the superficial. It's about recognizing and valuing her mental attributes. Women often appreciate when their intellectual capabilities are acknowledged and celebrated. Praising her cleverness, her insightful perspectives, or even the way that she solves problems demonstrates that you see and respect her mind. This form of admiration can be incredibly appealing and meaningful, as it speaks to her personal strengths and qualities. When complimenting her intellect, be specific and sincere. Instead of a general statement like, "You are smart," comment on something particular she has said or done. For instance, "I really admire the way that you handled that situation with your quick thinking," or "Your insight on that topic was impressive." These targeted compliments show that you are paying attention to her intellectual attributes and value her for more than just her appearance. It's important to ensure that your compliments are genuine and delivered in a context where they feel appropriate and respectful. Her unique physical features. Complimenting a woman on the unique features of her appearance can be incredibly impactful. This isn't about generic comments on beauty, but rather about noticing and appreciating the distinct attributes that make her stand out. It could be her captivating eyes, the way that her smile lights up her face, or even the elegance of her gestures. Acknowledging these specific traits shows that you see and appreciate her uniqueness. Such compliments are often much more meaningful because they demonstrate that you've paid attention to the details that make her who she is physically. When complimenting her unique physical features, be respectful and choose words that are genuine and heartfelt. For example, you might say, "Your eyes are really expressive. They light up when you talk about the things that you love." Or, "The way that you smile has such a warm and inviting effect." It's crucial that these compliments are given in a manner that feels comfortable and non-invasive. The goal is to make her feel seen and appreciated for her individuality, not objectified. A well-placed, sincere compliment can make her feel truly special and valued. Her sense of humor. Complimenting a woman on her sense of humor is not just about acknowledging that she's funny. It's about appreciating the joy and positivity she brings into your life through her humor. A good sense of humor often indicates intelligence, creativity, and a positive outlook on life. When you recognize and appreciate her wit, it can be incredibly flattering. It shows that you enjoy her company and that she has the ability to make your moments together much more enjoyable and memorable. When you compliment her humor, be specific about what you find funny or enjoyable. You might say, "I love how your jokes always lighten up the room," or "Your sense of humor is so refreshing. It always makes my day better." These kind of compliments acknowledge her ability to positively affect the mood and the atmosphere. It's also a great way to connect on a more personal level, sharing laughter and joy. This type of compliment goes beyond surface level attributes and taps into the qualities that contribute to a deep and engaging companionship. Now, before we jump into the next point, if this video resonates with you, please leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. I value your feedback immensely. Her strength and resilience. Acknowledging a woman's strength and resilience goes beyond physical or surface level compliments. It's all about recognizing her ability to handle life's ups and downs with grace and fortitude. This type of compliment appreciates her mental and emotional toughness, her ability to overcome obstacles, and her perseverance in difficult situations. It shows that you see her not just for her external attributes, but for her character and and the qualities that enable her to stand strong in the face of adversity. When complimenting her on her strength and resilience, be genuine and specific. Reference particular instances where you've noticed these qualities, such as, "I admire how you handled that situation with just so much strength," or "Your resilience in overcoming those challenges is truly inspiring." Now, these observations show that you are attentive to her character and value the depth of her personality. Such compliments can be incredibly empowering and affirming for her. They demonstrate your respect for her as an individual with her own struggles and victories, further deepening the emotional connection between you. Her empathy and compassion. Complimenting a woman on her empathy and compassion is acknowledging her ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's appreciating her kind heart and her willingness to help and be there for those in need. This type of compliment goes deeper than surface level acknowledgements. It's all about valuing her as a caring, sensitive, and altruistic person. It highlights her ability to connect with others on an emotional level and her capacity for kindness and understanding. When you notice her empathetic and compassionate actions, point them out. Say something like, "I really admire the way that you understand and care for others," or "Your compassion towards your friends is truly heartwarming." Be specific about the instances where you've observed these qualities. This recognition can be profoundly meaningful to her, as it shows that you value her for more than just physical attributes or superficial qualities. It demonstrates that you appreciate her moral and emotional depth, which can be deeply affirming and strengthen the emotional bond between you. Her ambitions and goals. Paying compliments to a woman on her ambitions and goals is a way of acknowledging her drive, her determination, and vision for the future. It's about recognizing her as an individual with dreams and aspirations that extend beyond the immediate or superficial. By showing admiration for her goals, you are communicating that you respect her as a person with her own path and successes. This can be incredibly empowering and validating for her, reinforcing that you see and appreciate her personal journey and professional ambitions. When discussing her ambitions or goals, show genuine interest and encouragement. Make comments like, "I'm really impressed by your dedication to your career goals," or "Your passion for your projects is inspiring." These compliments should come from a place of authenticity and respect for her as a professional and as an individual striving to achieve her aspirations. Acknowledging her hard work and determination in this way not only boosts her confidence but also strengthens the connection between you, as it shows your support for her personal and professional growth. Bonus tip: the importance of genuine compliment timing. Another invaluable tip to complement your complimenting skills is mastering the timing of genuine compliments. So let's delve into the significance of when and how to give compliments, making them much more impactful and memorable. Now, the timing of a compliment can be just as important as the compliment itself. A well-timed compliment delivered in a moment that feels natural and relevant can significantly enhance its effect. For instance, acknowledging her strengths right after she has achieved something or recognizing her efforts when she's feeling doubtful can be extremely empowering. Timing your compliments when they are least expected but most needed adds an element of sincerity and thoughtfulness. It demonstrates that your appreciation isn't just a formality but a genuine recognition of her qualities or actions at a moment when it's truly mattering to her. Perfecting the timing of your compliments ensures that they are not just heard but deeply felt, and this practice shows attentiveness to her feelings and experiences, reinforcing the authenticity of your words. It helps in building a bond where appreciation is not only expressed but also profoundly experienced, strengthening the emotional connection in your relationship. So now that you know how and when to compliment her, what's next on your journey? Discover the non-verbal ways that women reveal their affection for you, or learn the questions that girls ask when hitting on you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.